Do the puzzle.
No.
Okay, here's some more pieces. Put it together.
No.
What do you have? Ooh, furry. What's furry?
Mama.
The mole. Good job. Okay, put them together over there. Here, let's put them over here. Start a pile. Okay. Furry mole. Good job. Okay, what's next? What are you going to put together next?
Ketchup.
That's a lollipop. Good job, Bella. A swirly lollipop. And a furry mole. Mole and pop. Okay, what's next? Put something else together. What do you have?
Pig.
A pig. What color is the pig?
Pig.
Pig? Pink pig. Good job.
Pig.
Pink pig. Okay. A pop and a mole. It's a lollipop. Mole and pop and pig. Okay, what's next? What's next? A carrot. What color is the carrot? Orange carrot. You are so smart. Good job. Carrot. Orange carrot. Pig and carrot. Good job. What's next? What's next?
No.
No? Ooh, what do you have? Ooh, what is that? Bumpy crocodile. Crocodile. Good job. We're going to start a new pile over there. We're going to show Papa.
Who's that?
Okay. Come over here. What's next? Got the bumpy crocodile. Good job. Yay! What's next? What is that?
It's called butter.
Butterfly.
It's called the
A
butter.
beautiful butterfly. Good job. Okay.
It's called nut.
What's next?
Oh.
Uh-oh, did it come apart? All right, what's next?
Nut.
What's next, huh? What do you have? Oh, the scarf. Good job. Checkered scarf. You are so smart.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, it's okay. Good job, Bella. You turn them around the other way? Yes, I knew you would. Wow, good job. Okay, what's next? Cow? Cow, where's the cow?
No.
There's pieces back here.
Oh
There's pieces right there. Look at behind you by your feet. Look at.
no.
Ooh, there's a brown cow. What does the cow say?
Moo.
Good job.
Cow.
Cow says
Cow.
moo. What does the pig say?